There is a quiet signal that moves through certain gardening circles. It travels by word of mouth across backyard fences, through church parking lots and in the checkout line at a store most people ignore. It is the signal that a specific item has hit the shelves, that the price is absurd for what it is, and that anyone who waits until the weekend will find nothing but an empty hook. The people who catch this signal earliest are almost always seniors. They have spent decades learning that the best garden supplies do not need a fancy label to work beautifully, and they move accordingly. So here is my question for you. What is the last gardening item you bought that made you stop and think, I cannot believe this was only $1.25? Tell me in the comments, because by the end of this video you are going to have 13 more answers to that question. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we believe growing things should never mean emptying your bank account. Today we are counting down 13 Dollar Tree items, so good they destroy expensive brands. And number 9 is something most gardeners do not even realize belongs in the shed. Item number 1, garden pruning shears. But every gardener needs a reliable pair of bypass pruners, and the brand name versions at garden centers and hardware stores routinely run between $15 and $25. Dollar Tree's version has quietly become one of the most talked about Dollar Tree finds among experienced gardeners who actually use their tools hard. These are basic bypass pruners with a spring-loaded mechanism, comfortable grip handles, and a safety lock. They cut cleanly through green stems up to about ½ an inch thick. No, they are not going to replace a pair of Felcos that you hand down to your grandchildren. But for deadheading perennials, cutting flowers for arrangements, trimming back vegetable plants, and general garden cleanup, they perform identically to pruners costing 5 to 10 times the price. The secret to making these last is a quick wipe with an oily rag after each use, and a drop of household oil on the pivot bolt once a month during heavy use. Do that, and a pair of Dollar Tree pruners will last multiple seasons. At $1.25, you can keep a pair in your garden bucket, a pair in the shed, and a pair by the back door for less than the cost of a single mid-range pruner from a competitor. This is one of those Dollar Tree hacks that frugal gardeners have known about for years, while everyone else was paying $15 for the same function. If you are building a garden toolkit from scratch, or filling out a set for a new raised bed area, start here. Item number 2. The kneeling pad. If you are over 50, you already know that gardening from your knees without cushioning is not sustainable. The thick foam kneeling pads sold at garden centers run $12 to $18 and are often no thicker or more durable than the version Dollar Tree stocks every spring. These pads are made of dense closed-cell foam that resists water, mud, and the general abuse of being tossed around a garden. They weigh almost nothing, which means seniors and anyone with mobility concerns can carry one around the yard without adding strain. The bright colors also make them hard to lose, which is a practical detail that expensive brands often overlook in favor of earthy tones that blend into the mulch exactly when you need to find them. So, for Dollar Tree deals that genuinely improve quality of life in the garden, the kneeling pad is near the top of the list. Grab a few of them, keep one by each garden bed. Keep one in the garage, keep one by the potting bench. Your knees will notice the difference and your wallet will not. At this price there is no reason to garden on hard ground ever again. Item number 3. Heavy-duty canvas garden gloves. Good garden gloves are expensive. The leather palm reinforced canvas gloves at garden centers routinely sell for $12 to $18 a pair. Dollar Tree's version uses the same materials, canvas backing with a reinforced palm, breathable fabric that keeps your hands from sweating, and a fitted wrist that keeps dirt out. The stitching is not heirloom quality, but for a full season of weeding, planting, pruning and mulching, these gloves hold up as well as pairs costing 6 to 8 times more. The real advantage is that at $1.25, you are not afraid to use them. How many of us have a pair of expensive gloves sitting clean in the shed because we do not want to ruin them? These you ruin. These you use until the fingers wear through, and then you grab another pair from the drawer because you bought 5 of them on your last Dollar Tree haul. For seniors who garden every day and go through gloves faster than most, this is one of the smartest Dollar Tree dupes available. The fit runs slightly generous, which is a bonus for older hands that need a little extra room around the knuckles. Item number 4. The watering can with a removable rose. A decent 2-gallon watering can with a detachable sprinkler head at a garden center will set you back $20 to $30. Dollar Tree's version is slightly smaller, typically around 1.5 to 2 gallons, but the build quality is surprisingly solid. The rose, that perforated cap that turns a stream into a gentle shower, actually works. It distributes water evenly without the frustrating dribble or uneven spray patterns that plague cheap watering cans. The handle is ergonomic enough for seniors and anyone with grip concerns, and the plastic is thick enough to survive being left in the sun for a season without cracking. The rose screws on cleanly and does not pop off mid-pour the way some budget watering cans do. This is one of those Dollar Tree DIY essentials that makes routine watering less of a chore without making you feel like you compromised on quality. For container gardeners and balcony growers who water frequently, having a reliable can that does not fight you every time is worth far more than $1.25. Item number 5. Jute twine. Natural jute garden twine is one of those supplies that quietly drains your budget, because you use it constantly and buy it without thinking. A single roll of jute twine at a craft store or garden center runs $6 to $8. Dollar Tree's version is the same gauge, the same natural fiber, and the same length. It is strong enough for staking tomatoes, tying dahlias to supports, training cucumbers up a trellis, and bundling cut flowers for arrangements. Because it is natural jute, it breaks down in the compost and does not leave plastic waste in your garden beds. The texture is soft enough to handle without gloves, but rough enough to hold a knot securely, which is the exact balance you want in garden twine. This is a Dollar Tree craft staple that belongs in every gardener's shed, and at $1.25 a roll, you can stock up for the entire season for less than the cost of 2 rolls at a competitor. When you find yourself reaching for twine a dozen times a week during peak growing season, you will be glad you did. Item number 6. The Seed Starting Greenhouse Kit. Starting seeds indoors is one of the most rewarding parts of gardening, but the little plastic trays with clear domes sold at garden centers under brands like Jiffy and Burpee cost between $8 and $15 each. Dollar Tree's version is smaller but functionally identical. A plastic tray with individual cells, a clear snap-on dome that creates a humid microclimate for germination. Seeds started in these trays germinate just as well as seeds started in the expensive versions, because the physics of humidity and warmth do not care about brand names. For a home gardener starting a few dozen tomato, pepper and flower seedlings, 2 or 3 of these Dollar Tree greenhouse kits replace a setup that would cost $40 to $50 elsewhere. The plastic is not as thick as premium versions, but it does not need to be. By the time the seedlings are ready to transplant, the trays have done their job. The dome fits snugly, and does not slide off when you move the tray from windowsill to counter and back, which matters when you are shuffling seedlings around chasing the sun. This is one of the best Dollar Tree finds for anyone who starts plants from seed. Now I have a question for you before we continue. Of these first 6 items, how many are already in your garden shed? Be honest, tell me in the comments, and let me know which one surprised you the most. The comments on these Dollar Tree haul videos are where the real knowledge lives, because someone always shares a tip the rest of us never thought of. Item number 7. Scented citronella candles in terracotta pots. Summer evenings on the patio are sacred, and mosquitoes are the uninvited guests that ruin them. The citronella candles sold at home improvement and outdoor stores run $10 to $15 each, especially when they come in decorative containers. Dollar Tree stocks small citronella candles in terracotta pots that do the exact same job. The scent is pleasant, the flame lasts for hours, and the pot itself is reusable. When the candle burns down, you can clean out the pot and use it as a small planter for succulents or seed starting. Group 3 or 4 of these around your patio seating area, and you have effective mosquito control that looks charming and costs less than a single candle from a premium brand. The terracotta gives them a weight and stability that flimsy plastic candles lack, so a breeze will not knock them over. This is one of those Dollar Tree deals that makes you feel like you outsmarted the system. For anyone who loves hosting summer dinners outdoors, these are a staple worth stocking up on. Item number 8. The plastic spray bottle. This sounds so basic that you might wonder why it makes the list, but a heavy-duty spray bottle at a hardware store or garden center, the kind with an adjustable nozzle and a chemical-resistant seal, costs $8 to $10. Dollar Tree's version has the same adjustable nozzle, the same trigger mechanism, and the same capacity. It works perfectly for misting seedlings, applying foliar fertilizers, spraying neem oil for pest control, and damping down potting mix before sowing seeds. The trigger pulls smoothly and does not jam after repeated use, which is the downfall of most cheap spray bottles. Gardeners who propagate a lot of plants or start seeds indoors often need multiple spray bottles. At $1.25 each, you can have one for water, one for fertilizer, and one for pest control without spending $30 on spray bottles. For frugal gardeners who take their DIY seriously, This is one of the most practical Dollar Tree hacks available. Item number 9. Garden twine on a spool. Pre-spooled garden twine with a built-in cutter is a convenience that hardware stores charge $5 to $8 for. Dollar Tree's version uses the same natural jute fiber, the same spool design, and the same cutter mechanism. The spool keeps the twine from tangling in your tool bucket, and the cutter saves you from digging for scissors every time you need to tie up a tomato plant. The cutter is integrated into the spool body, so there is no separate blade to lose or misplace. You just pull the length you need, press it against the cutter, and move on. This is one of those small Dollar Tree finds that makes the daily work of gardening slightly easier, and those small improvements add up over a full growing season. When you are training a row of tomato plants and need to tie off every 18 inches, the time saved with a spool and cutter is real. Item number 10. Decorative garden stakes. Metal and plastic decorative stakes for marking rows, labeling plants or adding visual interest to flower beds sell for $8 to $15 at garden centers. Dollar Tree's versions are colorful, functional, and surprisingly durable. They come in various designs throughout the season. Butterflies, flowers, birds and whimsical shapes that add personality to your garden without looking cheap. Use them to mark where you planted seeds, to add height to container plantings, or simply to brighten a corner of the vegetable patch. They hold up through rain and sun without fading or bending, which is more than you can say for some stakes at 3 times the price. At $1.25 each, you can scatter them throughout your garden for the cost of 1 or 2 stakes from a premium brand. This is Dollar Tree garden decor that punches well above its price point. If you enjoy changing up your garden's look from season to season, these let you do it without a second thought about the budget. Item number 11. Bamboo garden stakes. Every gardener who grows tomatoes, peppers, dahlias, or any tall plant needs support stakes. Garden centers sell packs of bamboo stakes for $6 to $10 depending on the length and quantity. Dollar Tree's packs contain fewer stakes, but the quality of the bamboo is identical. They are smooth, straight, and sturdy enough for most vegetable and flower support needs. The stakes are naturally cured and resist splitting, even when pushed into heavy clay soil. For a small garden or container plants, a few packs of Dollar Tree bamboo stakes provide all the support you need for a fraction of the price. They also work beautifully for DIY trellises, plant markers, and garden craft projects. Bundle 3 together with twine at the top and you have an instant obelisk for climbing beans or morning glories. This is one of those Dollar Tree items that experienced gardeners grab by the handful whenever they see them in stock. Item number 12. Plastic watering trays. Heavy-duty clear plastic trays for catching water under potted plants are essential for container gardening. Garden centers sell them for $10 to $15 each in larger sizes. Dollar Tree's trays, while slightly smaller, are made of the same thick clear plastic and perform the same function. They protect your deck, patio, or windowsill from water damage and allow you to water plants from below, which encourages deeper root growth and prevents fungal issues on foliage. The clear plastic also lets you see at a glance how much water has collected, so you know when to stop pouring. Suitings for anyone growing houseplants, starting seeds, or maintaining a container garden on a balcony, these trays are indispensable. Stock up when you see them. At $1.25 each, you can protect every surface in your home and garden for pocket change. They also nest neatly inside each other for storage when not in use. Item number 13. Microfiber cleaning cloths. This is the sleeper item on the list. The one most gardeners do not think of as a garden supply until they try it. Microfiber cloths at automotive or home stores sell for $8 to $12 for a small pack of premium versions. Dollar Tree's cloths are the same material and work beautifully for cleaning garden tools, wiping down patio furniture, polishing plant leaves, and drying your hands after working in the soil. They absorb water better than cotton, they do not leave lint behind, and they can be washed and reused dozens of times. A quick rinse under the hose and a wring out is all it takes between uses. But for gardeners who appreciate a clean workspace and well-maintained tools, having a stack of microfiber cloths in the shed is a small luxury that costs almost nothing. They also make excellent liners for the bottom of potting trays to catch excess soil and moisture. This is the kind of Dollar Tree find that makes you wonder why you ever paid more. The gardening industry has spent decades convincing us that quality comes with a price tag. Every item we covered today proves that story is fiction. A pruner is a pruner. Jute twine ties a tomato plant the same way, whether you paid $8 or $1.25. The difference is how much money stays in your pocket for seeds, soil, and more plants. Next time you are in Dollar Tree, pick up 3 of these items. Use them for a month. Then come back here and tell me if you noticed a difference between them and the expensive versions you used to buy. I already know the answer. Subscribe to Timeless Gardening. We do not do brand worship. We do what works.